So what's new about the AGV K1S? I think it might be like this for you guys actually. Anyways, what is the difference between the K1 and the K1S? The K1S features a new wing, a little bit more sleek, a little bit more, you know, arrow, more pointy.
If it's too round on the top, it needs to be pointy. Round is not scary. Pointy is scary.
And you get 190-degree peripheral vision, so you get a little bit of a wider field of view in the face shield. You also get some new ventilation on the top, a little bit of improved ventilation on the mouth area to just help you breathe a little more, stay nice and cool, nice and fresh, because right now it's like what, 95 degrees outside. I don't know, it's hot and I'm chilling. I'm sweating a little bit, but it's not bad, you know what I mean? So nothing too crazy going on different with the new K1S, but just some little subtle changes to make your experience while riding a little bit better. The arrow on this thing is night and day compared to my old helmet. Like, I literally felt like I was just slicing through the air, like, just, you know what I mean? No problems, no head bobbing, nothing while I was riding. This thing was a great investment. This is my first helmet that I purchased. My old helmet, I got it from the guy that I bought my first bike from, and it was just too big for me, you know? So I just decided it's time for an upgrade, but I was also on a budget. That's when this bad boy came around, and I was like, yep, definitely getting that. Definitely getting that. The only regret that I will say, I should have gotten matte black instead of gloss black, because this thing literally gets dirty like in an instant. All in all, that's about the main differences. Let's go for a ride. Here we go, first ride. So far, it's like I said, really smooth, really quiet in here. You know, no airflow coming in that's unnecessary. It fits very, very, very nice. Especially me, I have like a really weird shaped head. I was very surprised, being that this is my first like helmet that I bought, so I wasn't really sure. Like, I looked at sizing and everything obviously, but you know, I never tried none of those helmets on, so I like kind of full sent it and just said, you know what, I'm buying this one. It fits a little too tight sometimes. Like, when I first got it, I put it on and it was like stupid tight, and today I put it on, it's like kind of loose, but around my cheeks it literally feels like somebody is just like squeezing the shit out of my cheeks. But it's not bad, honestly. Like, if you were to say like just get some new cheek pad lining, you'll be straight. But I got a size small. My old helmet was a size medium, and like I said, that was just way too big for me. It was literally just like, when I was in the mountains the first time, it was literally like halfway covering my eyes and I couldn't see a single thing. Also, even with like my GoPro setup, I don't even have like an actual, oh my god, let me get out of here first and then we'll figure out the talking parts. I literally just came back the same way I just came. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, it's like the strap-on kind of GoPro setup. There's a very, very tiny opening. It doesn't affect the riding whatsoever. There might be like a super tiny whistle, but that's only if you're going like I noticed it at like 65 kind of thing, like when I was on the highway. City speeds 45, 50, no problem whatsoever. No problem whatsoever. See what I mean? No issues whatsoever, no complaints. I love this helmet. Easily one of the best purchases I've made. Anybody who's like, whether you're a beginner rider or you've been riding for a while and you just want something to like cruise around town but still look good kind of deal, bro, I can't recommend this helmet enough. The only wind that I'm hearing is like behind my head, like the wind that's just past. It's hard to explain, but it's nothing like it's not ear piercing. My exhaust, especially like my old helmet, especially when I had it open like this for my GoPro setup, the exhaust would literally be echoing inside my helmet. This, like, I can barely even hear it. 200 and what was it, like 20 bucks I think, for basically what is 220 bucks basically for a Pista RR. That's literally what it is. It's a Pista RR. The only difference between that and this is the weight. That's literally it. And then like a little bit of aero. That's it. So if you don't want to spend literally 10 times the price on a helmet, bro, AGV K1S all the way, 100%. Beautiful. Literally just like cutting through the wind, no problem. AGV definitely, y'all did a hell of a job on this. Being a budget-friendly helmet, this is probably going to take over the bike community, especially for beginner riders. The ones that don't want to spend $600, $700 on a helmet, which, I mean, you should because it's your head. But I understand we all got budgets. We all got, you know, a life kind of thing. Just to kind of like look back on everything, all the new features of the K1S, the new spoiler on the back, the wider field of view so you can see a lot more, better aero, and just feels better. I think it's actually lighter too than the K1. If you or anybody you know is in the market for a new helmet, 1025% recommend you get the AGV K1S. Get it for yourself, get it for a friend, they'll love you forever. Get it for your significant other, they'll love you even more. This helmet is literally top tier. Just slicing through the air. Amazing, absolutely amazing. One thing I kind of should say, how earlier I was talking about the cheeks, feels like somebody's squeezing my cheeks. I feel like that really just kind of comes with breaking the helmet in. I've only had the helmet for like a day and a half now, almost 2 days, so it's not like 100% broken in. I definitely feel like once I, you know, wear this a few times, the cheek situation should get a little better. Make sure you subscribe so you know, because I definitely will update. I'll probably do like a 1 month ride kind of thing, you know, 1 month later wearing the AGV K1S. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna keep going, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm just riding around. I am not used to having a clear visor, so this is definitely alright. This is definitely a weird feeling for me because I am not used to seeing the road kind of thing. I'm used to it being kind of smoky. It adds quality to your eyes kind of thing. Like, it's like glasses. I feel like I can see better, but I get confused because I'm like, did I put my visor down? And I'm like, wait, I have a clear visor on. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I know it probably wasn't a lot going on. It wasn't the best video maybe, but I got this helmet yesterday and I felt like I should do something on it, you know, just talking about the helmet and all that stuff. In case anybody out there is looking to get one, hopefully this video helps you to make that decision. If there's anything that I missed, let me know in the comments and I'll kind of like touch base on it again, or just, you know, let somebody else know in the comments, like, hey guys, he missed this, make sure you're aware of this kind of situation. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, I don't know what that was. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and yeah. If there's anything else you guys would like to see me review, let me know. I'll try my best to get my hands on it. Make sure you put that down in the comments as well. But yeah, that's probably it for this video. Just kidding, I lied. There's one thing I forgot to talk about. Cardo. I am waiting on my second helmet kit to come in the mail so I can get my Cardo set up on this helmet. I just realized how spoiled I was because after I put this helmet on right now and started riding around, I realized how much I love that Cardo system and how amazing it is. I'm really excited to see how it performs with this helmet, especially because of the fact that it's like this helmet is a little bit more quiet kind of thing, and you know, all the stuff I talked about in this video. That's probably the only thing I forgot to mention. So stay tuned, like I said, because I will be putting all of that into the helmet and also doing another test ride to see how that goes. That's the end of this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed what you watched, let me know what I should review next. Put it down in the comments below. What's up, bruh? Yeah! Had to give him a little something. Hopefully this helped you guys make a decision if you're looking at buying one or if you're just looking at buying it for somebody else. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for the 1000th time. I've said this like 100 times already. And yeah. Bye, guys. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna stop rambling. Bye.